quick review here of a new tool. It's called a PATUOPRO. It says on there, this was at Aliexpress. I would call it a electric scissors or like a rotary shear. It's put on there cordless pruner, so definitely not a pruner. I know they do the pruners. Actually, screw it over. I know they do a pruner, but well, this is really cheap. Cheap looking one. It's surprisingly light. A few 100 grams I'd say it is. Look on here. Got a bit of carbide there on a spring at the back, so it's always pressing up against the blade. Only comes with one blade, so pressing up against it. That doesn't look like it's even touching. I wonder if it's got bent during transit. Surely that should be touching, right? Maybe the blade's loose. Right, let's give it a go. It takes the fake heater batteries. Got one here from the. Oh, it's even still. It's quite high geared. Give it a go on this. Yeah, that's through like butter. It's quite a loud motor on there. Gearbox. A bit of paint up. The two thingy. Yeah, that's alright. Sort of pulls itself along as well at its own speed. Right, let's try a bit of cloth. This might be a bit more challenging. Just holding the cloth flat. I love the old. Yeah, it doesn't like that. It doesn't like cloth. I think if that was touching it, probably would be alright. Just get out of the gap like that. The whole point of that being on a spring, I would have thought, is so it touches it, yeah? I might try adjusting that. I think it should be able to cut cloth. What else can I try? I've got a bit of a online here. Let's try that. It's going through half, and then because that blade isn't touching, definitely should be touching. Otherwise, why have a spring in it, right? Right, I'm going to have a little play with that. Yeah, that's got it. It's cutting properly now. I can cut corners on the paper, and even on this butyl rubber, which is really difficult to cut even with scissors. Just go through it like butter. Just like butter it does. It's hard enough to cut with scissors, that, because it's quite a heavy weight as well. But that's working perfect now. Just got to make sure there's that before I stick my fingers in there. A bit of tension on that spring pushing against the blade. And you knew I couldn't resist. Have a look inside this. Not going to go too mad, but it's a T10 on those. Somewhere. That ain't approach. Now it's brushed motor, there's the spring there. Oh, there you go, not much in it, just a brush motor, gearbox, a safety switch, there's a part number on that, might as well read it out while I'm in here. HRS 35385 SP.